Okay, so we are on the terminal now. So on the terminal, I assume that you have installed Mamba or Micro Mamba, but I'll use Mamba, by the way. So we will need to first create an environment and install BUSCO in it. So I'll say Mamba create-n, and then I'll say BUSCO. So this is the name of the environment. Now let's also install BUSCO. So I'll say BUSCO. So this is it. And then we are going to add channels. So I'll say -c, bioconda -c, under forge, and then -c defaults. I'm going to add these 3 channels. So once we do this, we can execute. So let's execute this command to install BUSCO. Now let's type Y to confirm. So once we do that, Mamba will download all the necessary packages, install, and configure them for us. So let's wait for everything to get done. Okay, BUSCO has been installed. So if you want to run BUSCO, then you will have to either activate the environment using this command. So here, if you installed using Mamba, then this is how you activate the environment. If you install using Micro Mamba, then you have to add this to this. So that becomes Micro Mamba, and then you add this. Or you specify this command here to directly run BUSCO without having to activate the environment. That's how you do it. So if you want to learn how to use BUSCO to evaluate genome data or genomic data, then I will encourage you to check the videos in this playlist.